Hello people, you're welcome to ProUp Masterclass. My name is Tola Labi. In today's class, I'm going to be telling you why working with more female clients is good for your business. Now, in my last class, I said I was going to be taking some time to answer the very popular questions I get asked by graphic designers. And I guess one very common question I get asked a lot by graphic designers is, how can I increase my clients? How can I expand my client base? I guess something a lot of graphic designers struggle with is reducing the amount of time that they have between projects. A lot of graphic designers have way too long of an interval between their projects. I've spoken with graphic designers that have a 1 month interval between client work, or some have 2 months, some have as many as 6 months between client work. And as a creative, you always want to be engaged. You want to have clients call you often. You want to have your phone ringing often, because having that long period between projects is not good for your business. I think a business needs constant cash flow. You need to have clients calling you often, and also for your creativity too. You need to be engaged often. So a question I get asked is, how can I have clients call me more often? How can I have more clients and newer clients to work with? Now I'm going to be sharing with you what helps me to get clients often, and I hope at the end of the day you can apply it to your business. Now I've come to realize that a lot of graphic designers shy away from working with female clients. I've had discussions with designers before, and they tell me I don't want to work with female clients. There's too much stress working with a female client. They find it hard to make up their minds. They ask for too many revisions. They haggle the price too much. They just all manner of complaints. And I think if as a designer or as a business owner, if you shy away from working with female business owners or female entrepreneurs, just based on the fact that it might be a bit stressful, or it might be a bit more demanding working with a woman or a lady, then I think you just might be selling yourself a bit short. Yes, I might agree with the fact that it might be a little bit more creatively demanding when you are working with a female business owner, because they like to dot their I's and cross their T's. But if you are willing to do the work, then I guess the returns of that is quite rewarding. And I will tell you why that is. I can tell you that my client base is made up of 80% female business owners. And it has been like that for a while. And I by no means regret having a large percentage of my client base being female business owners. And I'll tell you why I feel working with female business owners is more rewarding than working with male clients. The male client is, from my experience, is passionate and driven. A lot of male clients that I work with are passionate about their business, and they are driven to see their business succeed, which is a good thing. It's good to work with passionate clients. It's good to work with clients that you know would like to spend what it takes to make their business successful. So I realize that a lot of male clients are passionate and driven. But the problem is that with male clients is that is where it ends. It ends with passion and drive. And that is where female clients have one up over the male clients. Female clients are passionate, they are driven, and they have a third character, which is they are very vocal. And that makes the perfect client. As a creative, you want to work with a client who is passionate, driven, and vocal. Because with such a client, you get the client pay you for their work and also bring you other clients. And that's what you enjoy when you work with female clients. Female clients, when they are excited about the work you've done for them, do not keep it to themselves. They are very, very good at marketing you and recommending you to other female clients that could have work for you to do. Unlike the male clients can be excited about your work, but they keep it a lot of times to themselves. Yeah, of course, you might have the odd male client who is very vocal, but this kind of male clients are very few and far between. But the average female client is very vocal, and that is good for you as a creative. You might want to think of it this way. Let's just consider social media, and let's look at WhatsApp. The average man is a member of at most 5 WhatsApp groups. You find a lot of men are part of 2 WhatsApp groups, 3, but I guess the most for most men will be 5. I don't think they go beyond 5, and most of these WhatsApp groups are not even maxed out. But when you look at the flip side, the average woman is on at least 5 WhatsApp groups. That means you would find a lot of women on 10 WhatsApp groups, 15 WhatsApp groups, and these WhatsApp groups are maxed out. And on those WhatsApp groups, they are talking about things that they are passionate about, exchanging details about vendors, service providers, and as a designer, you want your name to be in such circles, in such discussions. So you would find out that most female business owners, when they are excited about your service, they share your information within these groups, and you'll see that based on that referral, most other female business owners will give you a call wanting to work with you. So you would want to really consider working with female business owners, because it really, really helps your business. I find that it has really helped my business over the years. I cannot count the amount of times that I receive calls from female entrepreneurs, female business owners saying, "Oh, I got your number from this lady who you had worked with, and she said I have to work with you." And you would see that based on that recommendation, they do not even want to see your portfolio anymore. They just take it that you worked with a female business owner, and based on that recommendation, they are delighted to work with you. So I guess if you really want to expand your client base and you really want to have clients call you often, then I would say search out female business owners and see how you can work with them. Yes, working for your guy is good, but remember, your guy might love your work, but he might not be doing a good work advertising you and promoting you. So think about that when next you are thinking of either to work with a female business owner or a male business owner. Think of the pros and the cons. And I hope you found this class helpful. I hope you can apply this and it works for you in your business as it has worked for me. If you have any experience you would like to share, please do not hesitate to leave a comment. If you have any questions you want to ask, please leave a comment. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. I'll see you in the next class.